Okay guys, slave's position where I want it. It's going to be a little shadowy and shit. Tool of choice, not driver. Kind of fits there, just fine. Already grease in the ball inside there. I don't care about this ball here. I hope I can get this to video. It's going to be a bugger, I know. It's going to be a bitch. Shit. I don't know how I'm going to do this. I'm going to try it one-handed. I don't think I can do it though. No. The idea is to push in on this. The idea is, as I said, is push in. Well, getting ready to slide this into place. And just at the right moment, when it's just going to go by, you just rock this and it pops into place. I'm going to try and see if I can video it. I got no guarantees. Should be about there. Make sure nothing's in the way. Carefully work your push rod into place. And pop it in. Bob's your uncle. Hopefully that worked for you guys. That's it. That's all she wrote.